everyone. I want to tell you all about our brand new club that we've just got started. It's called the Seasons Club. And the name is a little bit of a giveaway, as you can probably tell. It's all about the seasons. It's going to be released seasonally, and you've got a couple of different options of jumping in. You can either just jump in for a particular season, buy that single product, pick your color, take a look down there. You've got the color choices with the colors that'll be in this particular season installment. Or if you know that you want to have a nice little surprise every quarter, you can get a discount, and every quarter you will be billed and you will get your season subscription will come out to you. So that's how the whole back end things works. So now what happens and what do you get for the club? First things first, you get yarn. First installment is going to be new or worsted, and as I was saying, you can see the different options that you can pick down there. You're also going to get patterns. Sometimes clubs will have a single pattern. In this case, because we're working on color play and interaction between colors, there's a couple of different options. A couple of different patterns are going to be included, and you'll have the yarn for all of those patterns with directions on how all the things you can do with the colors. To back that up, we'll have a complete video workshop for all of the patterns, where as I'm knitting through each of them, I recorded the video and kind of gave my thoughts as well, and different changes you can make or things that are going to make it a little easier. So just tips and techniques and things that will make it more fun and enjoyable, and hopefully just open up the world of color exploration to you. So those are the first two things. We're also going to have a couple of little treats included, so they're going to be secret. I'm not going to tell you about those, but we will also have a special recipe. I keep wanting to say pattern. Recipe, cake recipe from Evan O'Keefe, who's doing it specially for the club, and it's going to be seasonal. And we're going to all, hopefully, if you've got all the ingredients, you're ready to go, we can make the cake and all test it out for our Zoom launch party. So that should be fun. And the final thing I want to tell you about is in our Knit Hub, we've got a dedicated space for the Seasons Club, where you can chat with other Seasons members, and you can share tips that you found useful or color combinations that you're using, or even ask people for ideas on what they're doing and things like that. So it's very, very helpful to have a whole community to back you up when you're exploring something new. So jump in, join us for the autumn season.